Okay, today we're going to take a look at a pretty special little Zippo. So this Zippo came in the regular black box and it is labeled Gas Monkey Garage. It's a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. There's a first look at it. It's got a collectible insert, the Gas Monkey logo on it, and their proprietary trademark GMG right down there. So I was watching Gun Wild 1. He was on his way to the NRA convention in Texas, and he stopped off at the Gas Monkey garage headquarters and showroom in Dallas. It's a pretty cool place. So this one is like a hunter orange, and it was made in, let's see, looks like J of last year. So that is about October. Really good stampings on this one. Gas Monkey is a TV show. They build cars, motorcycles. Pretty cool show. And I believe that Zippo has put out maybe a half a dozen Gas Monkey lighters. Let's do a drop test on this Gas Monkey. Okay, a Gas Monkey passes the drop test. This would be a good one for the collection. And this one definitely deserves some cowbell. And if you get a chance, visit Gun Wild 1. Knuckle bomb.